In this video, I'll show you how to unlock cases in Counter-Strike, and it's really simple. All you have to do is have a case and the case key. You'll have to buy these if you don't have it, and select on the case and select unlock container. Now it's going to let you prompt which key you're going to select, and you select that key. Now in the bottom where you'll see open to keep, this is what you want to select, and it's going to give you one of these skins. So go ahead, hit open to keep, and I'm going to remove the audio so you can hear it, and I'm going to hit open to keep. Now you can hear the sound of me opening the case, and hopefully I get something cool. So yeah, I get a Glock, kind of cool, and you can see the information on it. If you hit close, you can inspect it, and it'll tell you exactly what sort of item you get. And yeah, that's how you open up cases in Counter-Strike.